Hi, my name is Chinara Gambarova, and I'll be presenting my homework assignment topic 6, discussion number 1. So what are the common assumptions that underlie hypothesis testing for paired data, which is dependent, not independent samples, and mostly it is good. It is described examples where we have two samples and they are being compared before treatment and after treatment. So it is the best example, and multiple population means and variance comparisons. So there are three assumptions. First is independence. Observations must be within and between groups should be independent, but for paired within the group it must be independent, and of course samples must be random. And then normality, the data within each group should follow a normal distribution. And homogeneity of variances between groups should be similar. So let's discuss the consequences of violating the assumptions and what can we suggest. For normality, departure from normality might affect the accuracy of p-value, which won't give us a good output. So, and as a remedy, we can use a Wilcoxon rank test, signed rank test. And this is a non-parametric test that can be used to compare the median difference between two paired groups of data. So we can use it when the normality assumption is violated. For example, it's used for comparing two independent groups to determine if there is significant difference between their distributions. Assumptions, it doesn't assume normality and it is robust against non-normal distributions, suitable for smaller sample sizes. When, it's, for example, less than 30. Or another one, homogeneity of variances. If we have unequal variances, can impact the reliability of statistical tests like t-tests. So as a remedy, we can use Welch test, t-test. So Welch t-test is employed when variances between two groups being compared are unequal and assumptions of equal variances is violated. So scenario used for comparing means of two independent groups when their variances differ significantly. An assumption, it doesn't assume equal variances. And here I have an example. I am using Wilcoxon t-test, but it is one sample test, and I used this example from the book, from the resources. So here we have a assumption that median age of officers get promoted is 41. And here we have a sample with the officers' age who got recently promoted to lieutenants, and we can look and see, can we accept the null hypothesis where median age is 41? And we assume that significance level is 0.05. And here we are performing the Wilcoxon function. And as you can see here, we have p-value. P-value is 0.4. And in this case, p-value is greater than significance level alpha. So therefore, we fail to reject the null hypothesis and conclude that there is not enough evidence to support a significant difference between the median age of recently promoted lieutenants and the median age of lieutenants. So yeah, this was my assignment. Thank you. Bye.